Hello friends, this is Silver Homeschool. In this lesson, we're going to look at area of a sector of a circle. Now, if you're given a circle, the sector of a circle is that part of a circle that is bounded by two radii and an arc. Now let's call this the center of this very circle. And let's say this is point A, the point at that this very radius makes with the circumference. And let's call here point B. OB is actually the sector of this very circle. This shaded region is the area of the sector of this circle. So, in order to find the area of a circle, we need to know the radius and we need to know an angle that is subtended at the center of this very circle. Take for instance, you have a circle and this is the center. Of course, we say that a sector is bounded by two radii and an arc. Now this is our radius, this is our radius. An angle is obtained at this very point. We can call this angle theta. So once the radius is known and the angle subtended at the center is also known, we can easily calculate the area of this very sector. So mathematically, the area of a sector is given to be the fraction of the angle that is subtended at the center. That's the angle compared to the whole angle of that very circle, multiplied by the area of the circle. Of course, the area of the circle is given to be pi r squared. So if you don't know that the area is pi r squared, please do well to check our previous videos where we looked at the area of a circle and parts of a circle. So, in order for me to calculate the area of a circle, I need to know this very angle here. That's the angle at the center and the radius of the circle. Now, take for instance, you are given a question like this. This question, you are required to find the area of a sector of a circle of radius 10.5 centimeter. And we're told that the angle subtended at the center of the circle is 108 degrees. So all you need to do is to apply this very formula. Once we apply the formula, we can easily find the area. Now the area, all right, let's just first of all draw the sketch. Let's draw the sketch of this very problem. All right, so let's take here to be the center. And the angle subtended at the center is 108 degrees. And the radius of this circle is 10.5, meaning that here is 10.5 cm. This is 10.5 centimeter. So the radius is known and the angle is also known. Therefore, we can calculate that the area of the sector of this circle is equal to theta over 360 times pi r square. Remember that our theta here is given to be 108 degrees from the question, and our radius is given to be 10.5 centimeter. So we can just substitute this value into the very equation that we have. When we substitute, theta is 108 over 360 times. Then what's the value of our pi? Of course, pi is a constant. The value is always given to be 22 over 7. So in place of this pi, we'll write 22 over 7 times r. What's our r? R is given to be 10.5 centimeter. 10.5 centimeter. But remember, it is squared here. I will square 10.5. So, of course, 10.5 means 10.5 times 10.5. So then I'll have 108 over 360 times 22 over 7 times 10.5 times 10.5. Now, the next thing I need to do, I will multiply all the numerators, multiply all the denominators. Of course, this is how we multiply add fractions. So this also means over 1, this is also over 1. So let's now multiply them out. When we multiply out the numerators, so you can work it out or you can use your calculator to do that. Okay, so when you do that, that's when you multiply 108 by 22, that's the numerators times 10.5 times 10.5 again. Everything is divided by the denominators. 360 times 7 times 1 times 1. Once we do this, multiply out what you have as a numerator, you end up arriving at this very answer, 261,954. And when you multiply the denominators, 360 times 7 times 1 times 1, it will give you 2520. So the next thing you need to do is to divide them out. So we have 261,954 divided by 2520. So once you divide, you will arrive at 103.95. 103.95. So since it is area and the radius is given in centimeter, from the question it is given in centimeter, so the unit of this very area is going to be centimeter square. So this is how to calculate the area of the sector of a circle. Alright guys, so in our next video we'll look at how to calculate the perimeter of a sector and also look at circle theorems. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button in order to see our subsequent videos. Bye.